What's the meaning of comradeship? Comradeship. Comradeship.
Comradeship. Comradeship. Comradeship refers to the bond that forms between individuals who share a common purpose, experience, or goal. It is characterized by mutual trust, respect, and loyalty, as well as a willingness to support and defend one another. This type of bond often develops in military units, sports teams, and other groups that work closely together to achieve a shared objective. Comradeship can result in a sense of camaraderie and belonging among members, as well as a greater sense of motivation, determination, and shared accomplishment.